Welcome back. I hope everyone is doing great and good morning. Today the weather is very nice. The sun is shining and it's bright sunny day. Right now I'm at one of the beaches in Thames. It's close to the accommodation where I'm staying. So you can see this beach is dark brown, and I just wanted to show you all the beachfront properties in the Thames. So these properties are very good. Many of them are available at Airbnb, while some are occupied by their owners, and I think these people are living in heaven. In terms of the valuation or property price in Thames, many of you already know it's cheap to buy in Thames as compared to Auckland. Auckland is super expensive in terms of property. So these are all those beautiful properties like I mentioned earlier. Most of them are available at Airbnb. If you are traveling to Coromandel, I would recommend to spend a night or plan a minimum 2 days trip. Especially if you are coming from Auckland or if you are coming from another island in the New Zealand. So we'll hit this road towards this way. It goes to Coromandel, and this is the outlook of the property where I'm staying. It's also available for sale, as you can see. I don't know the price. Okay. So I have started the journey for Coromandel. So it will be like around 1.5 hours from here, or maybe 2 hours. I don't know. We'll find out soon. Okay, but definitely the driving is very beautiful, as it's a coastal drive. As you can see, one side of the road has sea, and the other side there are mountains. Again, the road here is a bit zigzag, and there are very sharp turns or narrow borders, so be careful. If you are new, try to obey the speed limit, and if you are a slow driver, just pull over somewhere safe and let the traffic pass you. Do not build traffic behind you. Yeah, so now I'm at Taupo Beach. It's also a very good point for stopover. There are a lot of motels available. You can book on booking.com or Airbnb. And the beach here is also a very big and long one, very clean and not crowded, just like other beaches in this area. So you can go for kayak, swim, or maybe go for fishing also. So in front of me, the big bushes or forest. This is basically Coromandel forest, and I have found some rocks on this beach, as it's not crowded or it's away from Auckland. You can see some of them are very beautiful and looks like crystal. Uh, for those who don't know, Coromandel used to be a mining site in the past. So this is also a sign. These rocks are also sign about the mining which they used to do in the past. So there is a big parking here, or big spot for camper vans also. So if you are traveling on camper van, you can have a stop over here. And now, after spending some time at Taupo, I'm heading towards Coromandel. So this is the town center, or the town of the Taupo. So on both sides of the roads you can see houses or accommodation. Not a big one, but definitely it's very beautiful town. So once again, this is the coastal drive which I was mentioning earlier. Again, very beautiful and wonderful experience. You might have noticed there are very narrow bridges, so if you are new, just be careful and follow the road signs. On some bridges you have to wait and wait for others, especially the traffic coming in front of you. So while going uphill to Coromandel, you will notice there will be many signs for sightseeing. So this is one of the point for sightseeing, and this is very beautiful and wonderful. It represents a completely different picture. It's like something in the wallpaper or something by AI. It doesn't look real, trust me, but definitely this point worth a stopover, and there is a plenty of parking also at this point. So it's at the height, that's why it represents a very beautiful picture. So after enjoying the view, started the journey again to Coromandel. So as you can see, now we are going a little bit downhill, but So we are just a couple of minutes away from Coromandel. As maybe you have noticed, some residential properties along with the road. So my plan is to hit a beach called Vayuna Beach. I'll also show you the streets or the roads of Coromandel. I mean, how does the houses and how does the living looks like. So right now I'm in the town center of Coromandel, a small and beautiful town center, not crowded, representing the true picture of New Zealand. And after the town center, I'll just wander around in some streets and then I'll hit the Vayuna beach. So this is one of the streets in Coromandel. As you can see, sudden downhill or sudden uphill. The houses looks like big one as compared to Auckland. There are many things to do in Coromandel. You might have already googled, but it depends upon your choice. You can go for fishing, you can go for hot water pools, you can go for Greek railway, or just relax and spend some time at the beach. So I'm a kind of person who would like to hit a new beach or a place and then spend some time there. So right now I'm at Vayuna Bay Beach. Once again, a beautiful beach in the middle or in the heart of the mountains. One thing I have noticed here, a lot of people are going for fishing. Like in last 1 hour, many people went for fishing. So that's all about the trip to Coromandel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you around.